Welcome to Keto Meals and Recipes.com. Today I'm going to show you what I do with my leftover roast or any leftover rotisserie chicken we buy from time to time. By the way, this recipe is really great because it can also be used with your leftover holiday roast turkey. So let's get started as I show you how to make my version of cranberry chicken salad, which by the way you can make into a wonderful salad bowl, sandwich, or wrap. And this recipe is perfect for low-carb, keto, gluten-free, sugar-free, and paleo lifestyles. The macronutrient ratio for the cranberry chicken salad is 2.9 to 1, with 4.3 grams of total carbs, 2 grams of dietary fiber, resulting in only 2 grams of net carbs per 130 gram serving of the salad version. I will first go through the salad version and keep watching as I explain the macros and the instructions for the wrap. You know the routine now, so let's start by first gathering up most of our ingredients. Since we're starting with leftover chicken from either your homemade roast chicken or a store-bought rotisserie chicken, there's no cooking involved. However, you can take a breast or a thigh and either pan fry it or roast it in the oven if you want to make these sandwiches. And here I show you how I've pre-shredded my chicken. I just want to mention that the cranberry chicken salad base is the same whether you're going to make a salad bowl or sandwich or wrap. And also, the order you put the ingredients in the bowl doesn't matter. Get a mixing bowl to which you add your shredded chicken. By the way, shred the chicken into nice bite-sized or fork-sized pieces, not too small. Add the mayonnaise of your choice, either store-bought or homemade. Sprinkle with salt and pepper. Then drizzle in the olive oil. Sprinkle the smoked paprika. Add your celery pieces, which have also been chopped into very small pieces. Your chopped green onion. I'm using both the green and the white portion. Also my red bell pepper or capsicum, which I chopped into very small pieces as well. The next thing I'm going to add are my roughly chopped pecans. And the last ingredient I'm adding are my sugar-free dehydrated dried cranberries. Having added all the ingredients, all you have to do is toss well to combine everything. And that's all there is to making the chicken salad base. As a meal, all you have to do is shred some more lettuce. You can use whatever lettuce you want. I prefer to use romaine lettuce because of the texture, but you can use iceberg lettuce or Boston lettuce. Just choose a lettuce that doesn't have a strong overpowering taste and has a bit of crunch. Now this is how I prepare each serving. I begin by adding at least 1 and sometimes 2 cups of additional chopped romaine lettuce and place it onto a plate. Then I scoop out about 130 grams or roughly 1/2 cup of cranberry chicken salad and place it in the center on top of the lettuce. Doesn't this look appetizing? And that's all there is to making the salad bowl. Now for the chicken salad, which you can make into a sandwich, but I will show you how I make my wrap. The macronutrient ratio for the wrap version is 3 to 1 with 7.9 grams of total carbs, 4.1 grams of dietary fiber, resulting in 3.8 grams of net carbs per complete serving, including the wrap. To make this wrap, it's quite easy. You will need to make some of your own tortillas. I'll provide links to my recipes in the description box. Next, place a large leaf or 2 of lettuce on top of the tortilla. Scoop out 130 grams or 1/2 cup of cranberry chicken salad and spread the chicken mixture over 2/3 of the tortilla. Take a hold of the tortilla and starting at one end, roll tightly to make a nice firm tube. A little trick I'd like to share. In order for the tortilla to stay rolled, push a toothpick or 2 all the way through. This will prevent it from unrolling. And before serving, I like to cut the roll in half on a diagonal. Dig in and enjoy. I hope that you will find these 2 ways of enjoying my cranberry chicken salad something you might want to try with your leftover chicken or turkey. Although it's a simple recipe, the addition of cranberries and the pecans, along with the other spices, really elevates this from ordinary to an extraordinarily delicious meal. So please give it a try and let me know what you think. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch my video. If you liked it, please share the link with someone that you think might also enjoy this recipe. Your support is greatly appreciated, so please come back when I post my next video. Until then, have a very happy and healthy day. Cheers!